How to using one WhatsApp account on multiple phones. This is my original WhatsApp account. Now click on the three dots on the top right side, then click on Link Device. Then open WhatsApp on the second phone. Now scan this QR code with your original phone. Look, now the WhatsApp data from the first phone is being transferred to my second phone. Now I will transfer to the third phone in this way. Now I have the same WhatsApp account on 3 of my phones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.